Are you saying hi to everyone? Okay, what are we doing today? We are doing at words? Okay. So, can you write bat? Very good. Can you put it back?
Ball.
Now, can we write cat?
Ball.
How do you spell cat? How do you spell cat? Very good. Can I see it?
Can I take it for a flight?
Oh yeah, please. Okay. Now, can we have the spelling for fat? Fat.
A-I-O-U, that's the vowel, that's the glue.
That's the right thing. Okay, so Moksh, I said fat. Fat. Now, can you keep it back?
Can I please take a flight?
Yes, take a small flight and come back. Okay. Now, can we have the word hat? Hat. Hat. Okay, I'll give you a water bottle. Can you finish the word hat first? And then we take a break. Where is it? Good job.
Can I have one flight? Da 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 da.
Now we need the word mat. Mat. Mat.
I don't have the color. Cat.
Yeah, but I want mat.
Okay. Can I have one fly?
Mat. Show me. Is that mat?
Ready?
Yes, that's mat.
I thought I was correct.
Mat. How do you spell the word mat? Now pat.
Quick,
Yeah, okay.
Very quick.
How do you write pat, Moksh? Sat. Is that a flight? Quick one? Okay, sat. Sad.
Shoulders are paining.
Yeah? I'll massage. Okay?
Afterwards, you massage.
Afterwards, yes.
Let me see if this is done.
Sad.
Sad. Right. Okay, sad. Oh. Sad. Vowel, that's the clue.
That's the vowel. That's the clue. Okay. Now can you spell the word wat? Wat.
When this video will be over. Oh, no.
Another 2 words and this video will be over, sweetie. Wat. V. V. Not that. Wat. Vat. V.
It is vet. Vet.
Moksh, can you spell car?
Did it? Car. This car. Right under my nose.
Right under your nose.
It's all very long.
Very good. Now I want you to spell the word bar. Do you hang from a bar, Moksh?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you spell that?
So I did that.
Yes. We should take one video one day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Meanwhile, can you please spell the word bar for Mama? A bar.
Next time.
We will take a video of you hanging from a bar.
Maybe next
Like a
time.
primate? Yeah? You're taking a picture? Okay.
Bar.
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 Hmm.
Bar. Sometimes we call a bar.
Bar. That's right.
Also we call it sometimes.
Bar.
That's the vowels. That's the glue.
Now I want you to spell the word far.
I can't.
You can't spell the word far because you don't want to go away from Mama? You don't want to be far from Mama? Hey, but I'm sure you can actually spell that word. Come on, surprise me, Moksh. Come on. Far. Okay, you're going to surprise me. I know that.
No video.
Okay. Far.
No video. Far.
Only a few words, Moksh. And then we are done. Yeah. Thank you, honey. That's far. Moksh, can we have the word pot? Please spell the word pot. Pa. Well done. Now the next word is rot. Rot.
No, I can't do it for every time. So I'll have to take one break.
You want to take a flight?
I'm to take a break.
Okay, let's take a break. Hot. Can you spell the word hot? Yes, please.
Then
Now we will spell. Please spell the word cot. A cot. A cot is a bed. Can you spell the word cot?
Follow letters.
Please spell the word cot.
Hot.
Cot, cot.
Go, go. Go. Oh. Do.
Very good.
Potty, pot.
Now hot, hot Moksh.
Hot me kela hot.
Hot kela apart? I'm so sorry, Visarli mama. Not?
Not.
Have you done the word not?
No.
Okay, please show me how to spell the word not.
We said only 5 words. No?
Yeah, only 5 words. Can you spell the word box? And the last word is fox. Well done. Say ciao. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Bye-bye.
Good job.